Hi, we are Team 25 and myself Ashok, and we team members are Ankit, Janvi, and Prashant. So we did this project together on the WebMD dataset. So the project focuses on particular parts of the human body. Since WebMD dataset is totally relevant to health-related questions and answers, posts about diseases and general information about the body. So the data set is really huge and it's unstructured. So we try to tag to each part so that we can answer the question specifically. For example, here you can see that we have taken body, heart, brain, respiratory system, legs or foot, head, shoulder, and kidneys, which actually had the high level of questions when we categorize this into parts. How we categorize this into parts is actually we did one clinical NLP on this. So there's a tool called CLAMP, which we use to categorize this. So we scrapped parts level, disease level information from the WebMD website, and then for each disease we apply the answer set to the clamp tool, which gives us the problems and drug information separately as annotated information. Once we got the annotated information, we compared the problem set which we scrapped for each parts which we want to discover from the WebMD. We compared that and then we assigned those answer sets to the parts. So now the visualization goes like this. So for each part, as and when you click on it, you get um, a bubble chart here. So here the bubble chart shows that since we clicked on body, we split that into two categories. One is the general and other is the disease. So the size of the bubble shows that there are so many questions for general than disease in the body part. So you click on the bubble, then you go into much deeper details of the problems. So these are the problems, or these are the topics which the disease part holds. So when you click on the general part holds. So once you click on the disease, these are the particular problems which the disease part holds. So let's go and click on some problem set, some topic. Let's say we're going to click on an antibiotic. Then this one which we have is also it's a demographic where we show the fatal diseases or the casualties happened in different states for the body part. So whichever disease which is relevant to body part which causes fatal diseases are marked here as a heat map here. So as and when you scroll up, it shows us the information on, let's say it's California. California has 14 and 84 cases, and in Arizona there are 337 cases, and in Texas there is 1050 cases of casualties happen in the body parts alone, further from the given data set. And as and when we can go and click for a topic which will then show us a network graph for the topic and a word cloud. So the network graph which we clicked is allergies. So for allergy, what are all the linked information to allergy? For example, vision, nose, diet or reaction, antibiotic. Any antibiotic could have been an allergy. Shellfish for some people is an allergy. Cat fur and skin is an allergy for some people. Allergy happens in throat because of asthma. Someone gets allergy. So the network components, for being a topic being the center word, we try to visualize all the closely related words, closely related topics, or a problem or a disease which could be a cause for this, which helps a person understands why a certain thing comes and what is relevant of but that particular certain thing to the others. And the word cloud here shows why a particular allergy, or like the maximum number of occurrence of a particular word which was mostly relevant with allergy. Probably we can take a better example here. So let's say I'm gonna choose head, and then we get some visualizations here for head, and then you click, let's say I'm clicking on acne, and then for acne, if you see, there are a lot of lots of sorry for head there, if we can see that there are a lot of casualties, and the number of casualties are very high. the density is very high for head. And again, for acne, acne being the center word, the networks are being shown. Acne is because of rash and hair and skin, so all the relevant components are being shown. And what is the most frequent word which comes with acne? Face, where acne usually comes, or a scar, and years of people having acne. So it gives that information. And as and when we go more, we can see that there are topics, and for the topics we have questions and answers, which are the top rated questions for the particular topic we have chosen. So here, how we have top rated is based on the rankings of the helpful votes. So for each post there is helpful votes which we have sorted here by the highest rank to the lowest rank. So if you can see 32, 30, these set carries the highest ranks, and these are the next set of highest ranks in the given data set. So I have seen those blackhead removers tools in the store. Do they really work to remove blackheads? So this is a particular question which is relevant to acne, and who answered it? Is it a person, a legitimate person, and where is the person from? So all this information gives for the legitimacy of the person, so that the person who's going to use this application can know that whether they can go through this answer and whether they can take this answer as a positive answer or not. So overall, this is the application which we developed. So this application tries to serve from a single point for these particular important information, these particular important body parts, and what are the diseases and general information which you can cover, and what types of important diseases are comes, and the casualties happens, and also the topics, the relevant questions and answer with the network graph, and also what word cloud. So this is our visualization. Thank you for going through the visualization.